Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update from Z-JAK Technologies. Ever replaced a computer that still worked because it felt slow? Often it's not the hardware. In Windows 11, background apps, missed updates, and full storage can cause sluggish PCs. Get into the habit of restarting regularly, clearing out old files, and turning off apps you don't use. Updates fix hidden bugs and free up resources. And if you're using laptops, avoid constant full charging. It wears batteries out faster. These small habits can add years to a PC's life and save you money on replacements. Want help extending device lifespan? Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.